What does theorem says? It says every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of primes, and factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. So there are two very important words in this theorem, that is unique and order. Means if we write a number, if we write any composite number in product of prime, then it will be unique. We can just change their order. Like in previous example, we have written 24 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So basically we know that this is prime factorization. So it is 2 to the power 3 into 3. So means if we write a composite number like 24 as a product of prime numbers, then it will be unique. We cannot write in any other form. We can just change their order. Like if I write 2 into 3 into 2 into 2, we can write 24 like this also. So what we have done, we have just changed the order of 2 and 3. And we cannot do anything else. Product of 2, 3, 2, 2 will be 24 only. So this is unique and we can just change their order. So this is about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. It is just related to prime factorization only. So every composite number, not only 24, every composite number, since if I take number as 120, if a composite number is 120, so if we divide it by 2, 2 is a prime number, so other number will be 60. Now we can say 2 and 60 both are factors of 120. Yes. Now 2 is prime, no need to divide it further. 60 is not prime. So if we divide 60 further, 60 is also divisible by 2. So it will be 2 and 30. 2 into 30 is 60. So these are factors of 60. Now 2 is prime, no need to divide further. 30 is divisible by 2 again. So if we divide 30 by 2, it will be, result is 15. 2 into 15 is 30. Okay. Now 15 is not divisible by 2. So take other prime number, that is 3. 15 is divisible by 3. Yes. So we can write it as 3 and 5. 3 and 5 both are prime. So no need to divide further. Now with help of this chart or this table, what we can write 120 as, first we can write 120 as 2 into 60. Now 60 also divided in two parts. 60 can be written as 2 into 30. Now 30 can be written as 2 into 15. Now 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So finally we can write 120 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now all numbers are prime. So this is how we express a composite number in the product of prime numbers. This is unique. What we can do, we can just change their order. So finally 120 can be written as 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 5. So this is about fundamental theorem of arithmetic, that every composite number can be written in the form of product of prime numbers, and that way is unique. We can just change their order. Thank you.